Why, hello, this is James coming at you with another awesome video. Now here we're going to look at different tools, strategies, and techniques for improving your credit score. Now once you have gotten your credit improved, you need to do something with it, okay? And so we're going to share with you different tools, strategies, and techniques to do that. So we're going to, first thing we'll do, we're going to improve the credit in this, right now in this day and time. People's credit are a lot of it is in need of repair. This is a great time to rebuild, to reestablish your credit. Now, in this particular video today, we're going to look at what makes up a credit score. What are the components of that credit score? We're going to do a real deep dive with that. So let's go ahead and get started with this particular video about what makes up a credit score. Okay, so what makes up your credit score? Now here we're going to dive into, we're going to do a deep study of the things that make up your credit score. We're going to look at the different percentages and each category. The first category, or the largest one, this is 35%. 35% of your score is made up of payment history. Okay, so you need to understand that that is a large portion of the percent, okay, of this whole pie. It's your payment history. Late pays, you need to make, if at all possible, pay them on time. Okay, late pays hurt. It brings your credit score down. 30% is payment history. This next category is what's called amount owed. This is 30%. So you got 35% here, then you got 30% here. Is how much is owed. Okay, it's 30%. Now, you need to make sure that you keep this, the amount that you owe, you need to keep it low. You don't want to run real high balances on your credit, especially on your charge cards, simply because it will show that you're in debt. That income to debt ratio is too high. So you want to keep this amount low. Then the next category is new accounts. New accounts is 15%. So you don't want too many new accounts and inquiries. So you kind of want to keep them as low as possible. When you have a lot of inquiries to appear on your credit report, it makes people think that you're desperate and that you've been turned down. Length of history. How long have you had these lines of credit? Now that is 10%. So you want to have a good credit history, the length of credit, okay? A short history, then it's not, you get less points. You get more points for having an extended period of credit, time of credit. That helps brings your score up. And then the types of credit that you have. You have the types of credit. You have what are called revolving and non-revolving, secured, unsecured. Now, a lot of times the non-revolving is called installment. Now, the types of credit is 10%. Now, you want to have a good mix of credit, revolving and non-revolving. It is extremely important that you do this, all right? This is what makes up your credit score. This is the percent. The reason that you need to, I want you to understand this, or it's important that you understand this, this will help you to improve your credit score. This will help to create that financial dynasty within your family, not just for you, but your entire family. This is what will change the trajectory of the financial trajectory that your family is on. Now, success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. You need to remember that. You must have a positive mental attitude. You need some examples. Or, I am designed for great things. There is greatness within. I can do all things. I am more than a conqueror. These are some examples of some good PMA, good positive affirmations, some great declarations of faith. These are examples. Success leaves clues. All right? Now, let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May he smile upon you, may he grant you his favor, and may he continue to give you his peace. This has been James. Have a great day.